Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So as y'all see, my hair is a little big. It's starting to grow out a bit, so I styled it a little, but it's starting to like get like really like my hair. I always say my hair is fluffy, so because of how I was sleeping, this side, I don't know if you can tell, like it's kind of like smushed in. So like the curls are not really defined. I'll be like debating on how to wear my hair because I don't want to keep wearing it like the same. I want to kind of like switch it up, but like, so this is where I get to the stage where I'm like, how do I and what do I, you know, like how am I about to do this? One time when I first cut my hair, I had did like this part. I don't know if this is, let me see, maybe I can get something or whatever going with this. My hair is so fluffy that, y'all see that part? Watch this. It is slowly going, like, if I look at you like this, it's like you could see that it's something there, but like it is not holding. I'm trying to see if it would even look right before I even put anything there to actually hold it. Comb the roots down a little bit, try so I can flatten it out, then do a little bit down. The best bet would be if I was to actually smooth this down. Do y'all, I feel like it's giving very much. How do I feel about it? Do y'all think that that's gonna be, ooh, that would actually be shaped so much better. You see that versus that? You get what I'm saying? Like, it's, you know, but can I do it? But I can't do it right now because it's not like in my actual natural curl state. I gotta wait until like my hair like is in this natural curl state, because my curls are a little bit bigger right now because I did perm rods in my hair. But I'm about to take this this hair gloss curl wax. I'm just about to use this to slick down my side a little bit, like this little part, and see what we can make of this. So for me, this is really challenging because I feel like I start to get a little bit lazy when my hair gets to a certain length. I start doing stuff like putting extensions in and stuff. And honestly, I have had companies reach out to me, like one specifically that I could think of off the top of my head, to do a collaboration, but I don't know if I'm feeling that, because I said it before, but I mean, since then I took that video down. I ain't even gonna hold you, because I'm just like, how I get with my hair sometimes, I don't be knowing like what I want to do with it. So I'm like, I don't want people to be trying to say, well, you said this. Even if I did, I took it down, because I'm just like, I have the right to change my mind, but I just did not change my mind. I don't know, I'm not really like against wearing extensions and all of that stuff or whatever. I just, this is not giving what I needed to, so I'm going to use this curl sealer that I've used previously, and this is gonna make my curls pop just a little bit more too, because I feel like that kind of like brushed out my curls. This kind of like get my natural curls back like wavy, and you know, if I would have known that the other one wasn't gonna work the way I wanted it to, I wouldn't even put it on my head. But this be me with doing my hair and trying different products and stuff. That curl wax is really for like when you style your hair and you're trying to like get like a nice hold on like your curls or something like that. This little part on my head be giving me like a run for my money. Like, I just don't like this little dip situation I be having to deal with right here. but I make it work. As you see, it is what it is. Okay, so as you see, that smooth it out really nice. So I'm just gonna go to really smooth it really good. Yes. So doing this, I'm not gonna put a bobby pin right there. Like, that's definitely doable if it's needed, but like for me, all I just use like product and it holds it where I need it to be. So I'm not going to put a bobby pin there, but I'm just gonna go over certain areas and slick. Like this part, I need a little bit. I said a little bit and I felt like that was heavy. Peak right there, but let me go ahead and fix that. That is too long, too wonky. That's it right there. Okay, going with this piece. I don't know, this side is pretty much good. I really don't have to do much. I'm gonna do something right here because I don't like how that's looking. A little sad. Again, it's my dips in my hairline. Like my hairline dips in the corners. I just do my hair according to how I would like for it to be right there. Okay, I should have actually did this side because this side, these curls is like thirsty. Should I do both? Oh no, that might. I think this is cute. Yeah, I think this cute. I think this cute. I don't. I think this is cute. Oh, especially if I shave that down. I believe that I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to take the clippers and just clean that up back there so it can like really hug my head good. You know what I'm saying? Go with the nugget. Cause this little extra part, it's already giving mullet and it's not even growing in all the way yet. But this side, let me see what it's giving. Okay. I'm real okay. Well, the front view is not too bad. I think I'm just kind of hard on myself, but I think this is cute. This is subtle, but it's like I changed it up. I'm gonna take some oil. My hair looks a little dry and I don't want to keep adding on hair stuff to it that I already had in there. It just dried out. Don't know. Having fluffy hair can be a little challenging for me sometimes because like I can literally brush my curls out without trying to, and I'd be sad. Just a little. I think like I'm gonna cut that off or whatever, but let me know what y'all think about this quick little style. And yeah, it's like cute. It's giving one hairstyle. Giving another hairstyle. It's giving me question mark when I look this way though. Like, why am I not feeling it this way? I think it's fine. I think I'm just not used to it. Especially if it's not like shaped. Cause I really think that it looks way better when I cover up the nape of my neck as well. And like maybe taking down the sides a bit just to give it like a nice shape. That's what I'm feeling. Yeah, for sure. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Okay, stay soft, stay true, stay you. Okay, what my daughters say, another day, another slay, period. I don't know where she got that from, but yeah.